how to recover VK account. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your VK account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the VK app on your device. Over here, you'll land on the sign in page. After that, type in your phone number or email address linked to your account. Then click on login. Now click on the option forgot password or don't have one yet. Over here, you'll need to type in your phone number or email address again and then click continue. After that, you'll receive a call. Type in the last four digits of the number you received the call from. Then enter the captcha code over here and click send. Now generate a new password for your account. If you want to sign out of your VK account on other devices, toggle on that option. Finally, type in the new password and click continue. So that's how you can recover your VK account. That's all for this video.